Hey guys, it's Kay. Today I'm going to be unboxing and looking at the Fire HD 10, Amazon's largest 1080p tablet. So on the box we've got Fire HD 10 with Alexa, and I've got the 32GB blue version, and of course we've got the 1080p display. Okay, so delving into the details, we have a 10.1 HD display, a micro SD slot which supports up to 256GB, we have a quad-core processor, and we have dual-band AC Wi-Fi, front and rear cameras, and it also supports Dolby. And the other great thing is we've got full access to Alexa, Amazon's online assistant. So let's have a look what's inside. As usual, great compact packaging from Amazon. First thing out the box is the power brick, which is 9 watts, which is ample power to give you a quick charge. Next we've got the USB to micro USB cable, a quick start guide, and the warranty, which I believe is a year. Okay, now my favourite bit, taking off this plastic wrapping. Something about that noise is just so satisfying. Okay, so on the back we have the Amazon emblem, and we have the 2 megapixel rear facing camera, and on the front we have a VGA camera. On the side we have the stereo speakers. On the top we have the power button, the micro USB charge port, and a microphone, 3.5mm earphone jack, and the volume rocker. Okay, powering on. It's definitely loading up faster than the small Amazon tablets. Okay, so we need to input our language and region, put in your account details or create a new account. So the great feature here is you can use Alexa, so you can use a hands-free mode to ask questions, or play your favourite songs, open apps and play games, show sports scores, hear a joke, get the news, display the weather and just ask. So a quick demo. Alexa, what's the weather?
Currently, in London it's 6 degrees Celsius with mostly clear skies.
So this screen is a brilliant 10.1 inch 1080p Full HD display, a 1920 by 1200 with over 2 million pixels, which gives you a 224 ppi. So this lets you enjoy widescreen movies, videos and games with a wide viewing angles, less glare and more brightness, thanks to a stunning IPS in-plane switching LCD display. And apparently Fire HD 10 is now 30% faster thanks to its 2 times RAM over the previous generation, and a more powerful quad-core processor. 2 1.8GB cores and 2 1.4 cores run simultaneously, delivering quick app launches, smooth games and videos, and a great overall performance. So in summary, if you have an Amazon Prime membership and you want a big screen tablet for watching movies and TV, reading and a spot of gaming, the Fire HD 10 is a great option. If you also have a limited budget, then it's your best option.